Dr. Zakir, what is the correct Nisaab for farm produce?
As far as farm produce is concerned, all farm produce are not liable for zakat. Farm produce such as seeds and fruits, such as wheat, barley, rice, date, raisin, coffee, cocoa, pistachio, cashew, all of them, they are liable for zakat. And the two Quranic verses speak about that. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 267, give of what you have lawfully earned. Give of the good things that you have earned and the fruits of the earth which we have produced for you. So it says that give of the farm products. Further it's mentioned in Surah Anam chapter number 6, verse number 141, that what is due, give it proper on the day of harvest. On the day of harvest you have to give it. The Nisaab for farm produce is 5 wasak, which is equivalent to 612 kilograms, kgs, and which is equivalent to 1346.4 pounds. This is the Nisaab level. If it's less than this, then you should not give zakat. And there are two types of farm produce. One type which zakat is only liable on those farm produce which are used as food and they can be stored naturally without refrigeration. As I mentioned, wheat, rice, barley, cocoa, they can be stored. Zakat is liable on that. But if it's a farm produce which is perishable, like fruits such as grapes, such as banana, such as mango, all of them, they are perishable, so zakat is not liable on them. And as I mentioned, on farm produce which can be stored, it should be given on the day of harvest. And those are perishable, you should not give. Now there are two types of farm produce. One farm produce which does not require any human labor or irrigation and they are watered by the rainwater. No human labor is required, no irrigation. On this farm produce, 10% zakat is liable, 10%. Should be given on the day of harvest. And those on which water is required by the human beings, that is man-made irrigation or labor is required, on them 5% zakat is liable on the day of harvest. And for those items which are perishable, fruits, etc., like orange, mango, banana, grapes, all of them zakat is not liable. But if you sell and if you make a profit, and if the profit is kept with you for a year, and if it reaches above Nisaab level, then zakat is liable on them.